At the supermarket, it was a bright Saturday morning when Maria decided to go shopping at the supermarket. She took her shopping list out of her bag and checked it carefully. "I need milk, bread, eggs, apples, and some rice," she said to herself. Maria liked making lists because it helped her stay organized and avoid buying unnecessary things. As she entered the supermarket, she picked up a shopping cart. The supermarket was busy, and many people were walking up and down the aisles. First, she went to the bakery section, where the smell of freshly baked bread filled the air. She picked up a loaf of whole wheat bread and placed it in her cart. Next, Maria walked to the dairy section. She opened the refrigerator door and grabbed a carton of milk and a dozen eggs. Suddenly, she heard a voice. "Excuse me, can you reach that yogurt for me?" asked an elderly woman named Agnes standing beside her. "Of course," Maria replied with a smile. She handed the yogurt to Agnes. "Thank you, dear. You're very kind," Agnes said. After helping her, Maria continued shopping. She walked past the fruit and vegetable section. She picked up some shiny red apples, bananas, and fresh carrots. She remembered that her brother loved oranges, so she added a bag of them too. While she was choosing the apples, a supermarket employee named Jasper approached her. "Good morning, ma'am. Do you need a plastic bag for those apples?" he asked. "Yes, please. That would be great," Maria answered. When Maria finished picking fruits and vegetables, she went to the grains and rice section. She checked the shelves carefully. Basmati rice or jasmine rice, she wondered aloud. Finally, she chose a packet of basmati rice. As she pushed her cart forward, she noticed a big sign. "Special offer, buy one, get one free on pasta." Maria thought it was a good deal, so she put 2 packs of pasta into her cart. Finally, Maria reached the checkout counter. The cashier, named Chloe, smiled and greeted her. "Good morning. Did you find everything you were looking for today?" "Yes, thank you," Maria replied. Chloe scanned the items one by one: bread, milk, eggs, apples, rice, pasta, and more. "That will be $25.50, please," Chloe said. Maria took out her wallet, handed over the money, and waited for her receipt. "Thank you. Have a nice day," said Chloe. "You too," Maria replied, carrying her shopping bags out of the store. She felt happy and satisfied because she had bought everything she needed.